Are you one of those who are experiencing financial lack, scarcity, insufficiency, or hardship? This is the reason why I'm making this video, because I want to be sharing with you some mysteries. And the truth is this: if something is not working, that means there is something you are not working. I take it again. If something is not working, it's an indication that there is something you are not working. Every door has its key. Until you get the right key to a door, you cannot open it. No matter how you try different keys that are not the right key, they cannot open the door. So if something is not working in your life, it's an indication that there is something you are not putting to work. So in the context of financial independence, the truth is you are not broke because there is no money, or because you came from a poor background, or because the economy is down. You are simply broke because you have not educated yourself to 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 find out that financial principle or that financial philosophy that you are not working. So you are not poor because money is not available. You are poor because you don't have the wisdom to be rich. So go for knowledge, go for wisdom, financial wisdom. Educate yourself financially. Read books on money, read books on entrepreneurship, read books on sales and marketing, read books of means of making or selling value. Because the first part to your financial freedom is rooted in value creation and marketing. Your ability to create value that helps to either solve a problem or meet a need or relieve a pain for others, and the ability to market it in front of the people who has that problem. So that's how it works. You start with value creation, then you graduate to financial wisdom, then to the giving principle. So when you are experiencing financial insufficiency, or you are going through financial hardship, it's an indication that there is something about money that you are not working. I hope this helps you. I remain David C. Onwara, Mr. David Don, your friend in the School of Financial Insight. See you in the next video.